The electric vehicle industry has been at the forefront of energy efficiency and sustainability concerns. For years, Tesla has been leading the charge with their revolutionary electric motors, which has been praised for their unparalleled performance, longevity, and low maintenance design. But just when you thought it couldn't get any better, Tesla has once again pushed the limits of what's possible. Elon Musk has just unveiled Tesla's latest motor, which has already started causing havoc in the industry. It's time to witness how this groundbreaking drive unit promises to change the industry forever, undoubtedly revolutionizing the way we think about electric transportation. Let's talk deeper about these things, but first, show your support for Wall Street. Hands by hitting that like and subscribe button. Tesla has been designing its drive units since the founding of the company, which was originally incorporated as Tesla Motors, spearheaded by Elon Musk, who's been the company's product architect. Since the beginning, Tesla's innovative approach to engineering and manufacturing has allowed it to remain at the forefront of the industry. The original Roadster, designed almost 2 decades ago, contained power electronics in a drive unit that was built and designed by Tesla, but licensed technology from AC propulsion, which was the proof of concept at the time with the release of Tesla's model. As in 2012, the drive unit was brought completely in-house and no longer licensed technology from third parties. Today, Tesla's induction and permanent magnet motors are two of the most advanced and efficient electric motors on the market. The induction motor was first developed by Nikola Tesla himself in the 1880s, and it remains one of the most widely used electric motors today. In an induction motor, a series of electromagnets are used to create a rotating magnetic field, which in turn induces an electric current in the motor. This creates a force that drives the rotor, producing rotating mechanical energy. The design of an induction motor is relatively simple, with fewer moving parts than other types of motors, which makes it highly reliable and low maintenance. On the other hand, a permanent magnet motors use a series of magnets to create a magnetic field, which interacts with the electric current and the rotor to generate motion. Unlike induction motors, PM motors have a fixed magnetic field, which makes them highly efficient and produces less heat during operation. This makes them ideal for use in electric vehicles, where efficiency and reliability are crucial. Tesla has also developed a new type of motor for its plaid vehicles, which includes the Model S and Model X plaid, as well as the Tesla Semi. The new motor promises to push key boundaries of what's possible even further, and we can't wait to see what Tesla has in store for the future of electric transportation. Tesla has always been a company that innovates on characteristics that are visible to customers, such as power, acceleration, and low energy consumption or efficiency. But one of the most important innovations that often goes unnoticed is cost. Building high quality products while keeping costs low takes tremendous effort. But it also means that more people will be able to access and utilize Tesla's technology. Tesla has already been reducing costs in the Model 3 motor, which, despite the name, is being used in all of their vehicles between 2017 and 2022. They reduced rare earth metals by 25%, took out 20% of the weight, and cut down the factory size for building these motors by an astounding 75%, which helped cut costs by 65%. The cost of the factory itself often ends up within the cost of the product, since Tesla needs to charge enough to cover all of their expenses. Therefore, improving the factory is another critical piece of reducing the cost of the motor itself. At Tesla's recent Investor Day, car specialist Cindy Monroe and his team noticed that Tesla is using a hairpin electric motor design, which further improves efficiency and reduces cost. This design uses rectangular wire instead of the traditional round wire, which allows for more copper in the same space, resulting in a more efficient motor. Overall, Tesla's focus on extreme scale and reducing costs while maintaining high quality products are truly innovative and game-changing in the automotive industry. Electric motors are an essential component of electric vehicles, and hairpin motors are a relatively new technology that's been gaining traction in the automotive industry. Unlike traditional electric motors, hairpin motors use hairpin-shaped stator windings, which increases their efficiency by reducing wind resistance and improving heat dissipation. These windings also allow for a greater copper fill factor, which results in a more powerful magnet, and therefore a more powerful motor. Several major automotive companies, including Volkswagen, BMW, and General Motors, have already adopted hairpin designs in their electric vehicles, and Tesla has recently joined them. Tesla's custom software is faster and more accurate than other competitive software, allowing them to quickly iterate through millions of designs to choose the best one. This software is also well suited for hairpin technology, as I can be used to optimize the hairpin winding pattern to reduce the motor's resistance and improve its overall efficiency. One of the major challenges in implementing hairpin technology is the accuracy of the process of bending and welding the copper hairpins. Tesla has addressed this issue by developing automated machinery that's already in action for assembling these motors. This is an important development because incorrectly welded hairpin ends can cause electrical losses, which can negatively impact the motor's efficiency. Tesla's chip used for charging is also an area of innovation. Tesla builds their high-level tips in-house, and according to experts, Tesla chips are unmatched in the industry. They have been able to reduce the amount of heat by 2 times and reduce the number of microprocessors from 4 to 1, making the chip smaller and reducing the amount of silicon carbide and expensive material needed. Despite these changes, the tip still has the same, if not better, capabilities, making it significant technological advancement. Tesla's commitment to vertical integration and software design has allowed them to push boundaries of what's possible in the electric vehicle industry. At Tesla's Investor Day, Colin Campbell emphasized their ability to produce 100 of their high-level vehicle components in-house within organizational structure that facilitates communication and participation from all stakeholders, even hardware design. That Tesla is done through software building on its roots in Silicon Valley. One of the most impressive announcements at the event was the revelation that Tesla's next generation motor will use 0 rare earth metals. This has caused some uncertainty in the rare earth metals industry, with companies like MP Materials experiencing a dip in their stock prices. The fact that Tesla has been able to remove these expensive and difficult to source materials without sacrificing performance is a testament to their engineering capabilities. Tesla had previously used 5 grams of one unnamed rare material and 10 grams of 2 others in each drive unit, while Tesla didn't specify which metals. These were neodymium, praseodymium, and dysprosium, are typically found in Tesla's permanent magnet motor. These metals cost over 100 per kilogram, or over $100,000 per ton. Tesla's removal of rare earth metals will save them hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars in the long term. Tesla's next generation motor will also use hairpin-shaped stator windings, resulting in increased efficiency due to the reduced winding resistance and improved heat dissipation. The hairpin windings also allow for a greater copper fill factor, meaning more copper can be packed into the same space, resulting in a more powerful magnet and therefore motor. While this technology is still being researched, companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and General Motors have already incorporated into their electric vehicles, and Tesla is following suit. Tesla's commitment to software design has also allowed them to optimize its motors and reduce costs in other areas Tesla's custom. Software allows them to model and simulate the entire motor along with its rotating electric field faster and more accurately than other competitor software. This is well suited for hairpin technology, which is still in the research phase. I can also be used to optimize the hairpin winding pattern to reduce the motor's resistance and improve its overall efficiency. In addition, Tesla builds their high-level chips in-house and has been able to reduce the amount of silicon carbide used by 75%. This reduction in chip size may affect multiple types of chips that the motor uses, but Tesla has also been able to reuse the inverter casings for all of their vehicles, allowing for interchangeability. Overall, Tesla's commitment to vertical integration, software design, innovation has allowed them to push the boundaries of what's possible in the electric vehicle industry. Tesla's compatibility with its current designs has limitations, but the next generation powertrain will allow Tesla to cut costs and redesign their components. According to Sandy Monroe and his team, the entire next-gen drivetrain will cost only $1,000, which is significantly less than their competitors' cost. Sam Corres from ARK Invest estimated that a battery pack from the next-generation vehicle could cost about $5,000 too. $100 plus $1,000 for a new powertrain. However, the battery size used in this calculation seems too large, since the next generation vehicle will be smaller and lighter. Hedgehog's reply with a 45 kilowatt hour pack is more accurate, resulting in a powertrain cost of $4,100 and a vehicle cost of $16,000. What's impressive about Tesla is their ability to build everything themselves, which sets them apart from their competitors who are busy outsourcing parts and software as they widen the gap. Against their competitors, Tesla's next generation motor will be on display even more, and this design will likely become the norm for most of their vehicles. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching until the end, and we'll see you in the next video.